Oh, I don't mean to make you cry, but when I die, just box me up. I need no headstone, no names, no titles. I'm a piece of shit who will be forgotten. Anyway, my mind has been a war zone. At least I pray I find peace now. And if I die, no matter what, don't bring me back here. It's dark here, and I hate the dark, but at least I tried. Even though I tried, with memories I would love to relive again. I don't want to be born again, not in this God-forsaken place. And to you, that one person, I wish I could give you the world, so no I can't. But how can I love you when I don't even love who I am? How do I give you peace when my mind is a war zone? How do I find you when I've lost my mind and my way? How do I tell you we will be okay when I'm barely home?